Heuchera paprika, fiery foliage for your garden. As a gardener, I'm always on the lookout for plants that add a pop of color and texture. Heuchera paprika certainly fits the bill. This fiery coral bell boasts stunning foliage that brings life to any garden. But beyond its good looks, Heuchera paprika is a versatile and easy-care plant, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Here, I'll answer some of the most common questions about Heuchera paprika, including its care requirements, ideal growing conditions, and how it compares to other popular Heuchera varieties. How to care for Heuchera paprika. Planting Heuchera paprika is a breeze. Choose a location with well-draining soil. This is crucial, as Heuchera doesn't tolerate soggy conditions. Amending clay soil with compost or sand can improve drainage. Light. Heuchera paprika is a sun-loving, shade-tolerant plant. It thrives in full sun to part shade. In full sun, however, ensure the soil stays consistently moist. Established plants tolerate dry shade well. Watering. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. During hot, dry periods, you may need to water more frequently. Fertilizing. Heuchera paprika isn't a heavy feeder. A light application of a balanced fertilizer in spring is sufficient. Maintenance. Deadheading spent flower stalks encourages new blooms. In early spring, shear off any damaged leaves to make room for new growth. Heuchera paprika benefits from division every 3 years in spring. Simply dig up the clump, separate the divisions, and replant. Winter care. Heuchera paprika is a fully hardy plant. However, in colder climates, applying a layer of mulch after the ground freezes helps prevent root heaving and insulate the roots. Just be sure to remove the mulch in early spring to prevent crown rot. How tall does Heuchera paprika grow? Heuchera paprika matures to a compact size, typically reaching 8 to 12 inches tall with a spread of 12 to 18 inches. Does Heuchera paprika flower? Yes, Heuchera paprika produces delicate white flowers on airy stalks in late spring to early summer. While the flowers themselves aren't particularly showy, they add a touch of whimsy to the foliage. Does Heuchera paprika come back every year? Yes, Heuchera paprika is a perennial plant. With proper care, it will return year after year, providing you with vibrant foliage for seasons to come. Is Heuchera paprika deer-resistant? While not completely deer-proof, Heuchera paprika is generally less palatable to deer than other plants. Can Heuchera paprika be grown in containers? Absolutely. Heuchera paprika thrives in containers, adding a pop of color to patios, balconies, and porches. Choose a well-draining pot and provide regular watering. Heuchera paprika versus other Heuchera varieties. With so many Heuchera varieties available, you might be wondering how Heuchera paprika compares. Here's a quick look at some popular options. Heuchera plum royale. This variety boasts deep, plum-colored foliage that creates a dramatic statement in the garden. It prefers similar growing conditions to Heuchera paprika, but may require more shade in hot climates. Heuchera lime Ricky, a vibrant choice. Heuchera lime Ricky features chartreuse green foliage that brightens up shady areas. Its care requirements are similar to Heuchera paprika. Heuchera sanguinea. This classic Heuchera variety offers burgundy red foliage that provides a rich contrast to other plants. Heuchera sanguinea is slightly more shade-tolerant than Heuchera paprika. Ultimately, the best Heuchera variety for you depends on your desired color scheme and garden conditions. But with its fiery foliage and easygoing nature, Heuchera paprika is sure to become a favorite in your garden.